Hi everyone. So Abhishek Sharma is on a roar, is on a form, something really special. Look at him, like 300 plus runs in Asia Cup. No one is near to him at the run scorers list. Absolute no one. And it looks like Abhishek Sharma is now completely taken responsibility of Rohit Sharma because Rohit Sharma has passed on the baton to Abhishek Sharma, and even Rohit Sharma wasn't that much consistent in his earlier days. No doubt, Rohit Sharma was batting at number 5, number 6 position at his batting career T20 nationals. But there's something special with Abhishek Sharma which is going on. The freestyle batting, the fearless attitude. And I'm just fearing that every match he has scored runs against Pakistan. Tomorrow is the final. One last, a small cameo also is sufficient, I would say. 37, 40 runs, because what is happening, India's middle order is not scoring runs. So suppose by any harm means or anything means, if Abhishek Sharma gets out quickly, under 10 runs, under 15 runs, India might collapse. So let's see what happens.